So first question, 314 by 2.
157.
Right, correct. 125 by 5.
125 by 5. 25.
Right, very good. 624 by 3.
624 by 3. 208.
Very good. And the last one, 444 by 6.
444 by 6. 74.
Right, very good. So divisions also is quick. Yeah, so this is a demo about divisions, multiplications, and additions and subtractions, dictations. So all these questions I have dictated, and just now we have seen flashcards on the website. Those I did not dictate, so they are just on screen. And also we have seen multiplications and divisions on the website. Okay. Now we'll be doing additions and subtractions, 2-digit 3 rows on paper.